Glad to see you made it. I'm Ryan stepping in for Jim. We are looking at the Magabox TV streamer as part of a new series of the Elite Box series. Over the next few weeks, we will be reviewing all the Elite boxes from Magabox, Superbox, Tangula, VC Box, etc. It all leads to the Top Box video where we will compare and give you our pick for the King of the Hill. Now, the Magabox may not have Elite in their name, but they have the additional programming needed to be included in this series. So let's get into the first one in the series, the Magabox. Real quick, just a note, when we review products, we either purchase, receive them for free, or we do a review and return product. Now with that said, no matter how we get the products to review, the company we get them from has absolutely no say on the outcome of a review. If we like a product or we don't, it will be in the review and we leave the rest to our now informed viewers. It is your responsibility to make good decisions on buying any product. Okay, what's included with the Magabox? The box seems solid and looks okay. Not a lot of styling, but looking at the top, you know it's a Magabox. It has the dual antennas that are fixed. Doesn't seem to have much venting, but I didn't have any overheating issues while testing. Standard inputs such as the SD card slot, the 3.0 and 2.0 USB, the restore pinhole, and on the back the IR, optical sound, AV, HDMI, LAN, and power. Comes in the box. You get a remote control, standard HDMI cable, power cable, and a user guide. But that's not all, folks. The company we partnered up with goes above and beyond and includes an 8K HDMI cable, mini keyboard, 64GB USB, 64GB SD card, 300 megabits, Wi-Fi extender at no extra charge. Seriously, they include all these extras with every order, and there's more. They send a clear instruction sheets, which I found to be very helpful. The remote is comfortable in the hand, a good size, and they put buttons around the directional buttons that I did seem to hit the wrong button being so close. Once you get used to it, well, it's okay. It doesn't have voice control, and on the lower section it has the hotkeys for live TV, VOD, mouse, YouTube, Netflix, and others. On the back it gives you pairing instructions so you won't lose them. Magabox MG4 tech specs. The processor is a all-winner H33, H616 quad-core, ARM Cortex-A53, clock speed up to 1.5 GHz instruction set, 64-bit, running in 32-bit mode for graphics. GPU is a ARM Mali G31 MP2, memory RAM 4GB, 32GB storage. Operating system is on the Android 10 and the display. Up to 6K resolution at 60 frames per second, HDR support, dual-band Wi-Fi, RJ45 LAN port, and Bluetooth 5.0. Let's take a look at the App Store and what's included there to give this box a elite standard. First thing is making sure I am protected by installing a VPN. Our VPN of choice is Surfshark, so I will install it and show you how to log in from your smartphone fast and easy and turn on the added features that come along with it. Click on Login, click on Enter, login code. Now this is assuming you have already installed it on your smartphone. Next, you will see a screen with a code, so use the app on your phone to log in like this. It will take a few seconds and you're set. Click on fastest location, but don't leave yet. Go to the top left. Click on features and turn on Clean Web. This helps protect against malware, viruses, ads, and such. Go to the app settings and turn off the analytics and send reports. We also check every box we test for spiders, crawlers, malware, and behind-the-scenes stuff that some manufacturers or suppliers may put on the box to take over your life. For peace of mind, we have never found a fully loaded box of any brand with these issues, but have with a couple low-end standard boxes. Let's take a look at the main page here with their main apps of Mega Live, VOD, and Playback. Now they boast thousands of channels, movies, and TV shows, which they are correct, but they also have included 6 other apps such as Asia TV, Canada TV, USA Local TV, Latino TV, Europe TV, and Sports TV. Let's take a look at the guides and genre in the main 3. The others are very similar. Now I'm just going to fly through these to keep this video YouTube friendly. If you need more in depth, please visit their website. The TV section has a ton and seems to work very well. I didn't get a lot of lag with this, and the channels popped fast and played well. The player layout is okay, not one of my favorites, but it does the trick. There is not a lot of customizing or modifications you can do with this player. The VOD section has 28,734 entries at the time of this recording, so there is plenty to watch. I will run through the genres or categories for you, but again, not much to it. Laid out okay and works well here too. The TV section has 2,633 available, which I think should be a bit higher there. I like to see this in the area of 5,000, but again it worked well and has the same look. And the playback works very well with 7 days available and 101 channels to choose from. You won't miss a thing. I found myself using this playback more and more. It has a good layout and a good amount of channels to choose from. This is a good function to have with any of these boxes. The Android setting menu is pretty much the same as most are. Everything you need is there for staying on top of your Bluetooth remotes, earbuds, game controllers, and more. Okay, all in. All this box played well, the services offered were plenty, but we'll see how it ranks up with others in this category real soon, so keep watching for that. While the MG4 offers a lot of features for the price, there are a few downsides to consider before you buy. The MG4 runs on Android 10, which is a few generations behind the latest version, Android 13 as of April 15, 2024. This means you might miss out on some newer features and security updates. The 32GB of storage might feel limiting, especially if you plan on downloading a lot of games or apps. While expandable via a microSD card, some users prefer internal storage for faster performance. The exact processor used, Allwinner H33 or H616, might not be the most powerful on the market. Reviews haven't extensively tested its performance for demanding applications. Real quick though, if you like this series playlist, maybe you could give us a like and subscribe. It's a great way to help support the channel. So in my view so far, I think the first in this series was a good choice. I think it could have more storage space, but remember, they are giving you a free SD card and thumb for more storage. As far as the company goes, they have been at the top of the game and they are not screwing around with the same boxes that are higher priced elsewhere, but do not include all the extras you get from Golden Sales. And that's not even including the discount code we wrangled for our viewers. All links and discount codes are in the description. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one soon.